Hello ROS developers and welcome to the ROS Questions and Answers video series. If you want to learn anything about ROS, this is your channel. ROS navigation, ROS with drones, ROS for autonomous cars, everything ROS is here. Learn ROS step by step and push your ROS learning in just 10 minutes of video. I am Alberto and today we are going to be checking a question I found in the ROS Answers forum, which says, how can I perform some actions after the program ends? So yeah, he basically wants to know when the program ends, how can he perform some actions at the end? After the program ends, I tried to use ROS interrupt exception, but it did not work. Okay, but before anything else, remember to visit our Robot Ignite Academy, our online academy, where you will find online ROS courses using simulated robots, no installation required. You will find the link to the academy on the description. And now let's start with the video. So let me close this. So yeah, as I have said, the question is very simple. He says, hello, how can I perform some actions after the program ends? I tried to use ROS interrupt exception, but it did not work. And when I do Ctrl+C, the test line does not appear. What have I done wrong? Why the exception does not work? Okay, so let's try to build this example and see how he can achieve. Okay, here we have it. So let's create a new project. Let's call it test shutdown. And let's pick this army for instance. There we are. Let's open the project. And yeah, so what we are going to do is to basically create a package, a new package. There we have it. Let's open an IDE as well. Here we have it. Okay, so let's go to the Hacking workspace and let's create a package. Let me call it test shutdown, and I'm going to add ROSPy as a dependency here. Great, here we have it. Now let's create a new Python file, which I can call also test shutdown, and let me give it execution permissions. There we are. Okay, so let's now get the code of this user. Let's just copy it and paste it to our file. And okay, here he's missing a hashtag like this. Okay, so yeah, this is basically the Docker example, which it will be publishing hello world and the time. So let's execute it and see that it's working okay. So test. There we are. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it's just a hello world example. And when I Ctrl+C the program, it just ends and nothing happens. So basically what he wants is to have something printed when the user stops the program using Ctrl+C. So for that, what we can use is to create a new function right here, which we can call, for instance, my shutdown. And yeah, inside here we are just going to do a print. So let's print it's shutdown time. Okay, now all we will need to do is to define here the ROSPy on shutdown function. Yes? Then within the brackets we will need to put our function, which in this case is my shutdown. Yes? Then when ROSPy detects a shutdown signal, before closing everything, it will call this function, call it my shutdown, which we have defined here. Yeah? Then very simple, as you can see. So let's test this again. Let's launch our test shutdown code, and now I'm going to Control C, and as you can see, I get printed this it's shutdown time. Yeah. So basically, what you need to do is to use the on shutdown function of ROS and define a function where you state whatever you want to do when the shutdown signal is detected. Yeah, in this case I'm doing a print here, but you can do other things. In some case, depending on, in some cases, maybe some messages could not get published, but well, that would you will find yourself. So yeah, basically that's it. So I hope you have liked the video, you have learned something new. If so, please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel and press the bell for a new video every day. And either you liked the video or not, please share your thoughts and questions in the comments area. Goodbye and see you in the next video.